What is up everyone? Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can create a new blog post in WordPress. First, let's open up your WordPress account. Then on your left, navigate to post over here. Then on the options, click add new post. Here you can now input your blog ideas. Let's add our post title over here. After that, let's head to our content. Paste your content or type it in over here. You can edit your post by using these tools. Next, navigate to the jetpack on your upper right corner. Click the screen icon or the jetpack. Let's use AI Assistant over here. Click that. Here, you can generate feedback from the AI to see if your blog is catchy enough or if there are some areas you need to improve. You can also improve your title using AI. And lastly, you can get generated featured photos using AI. Just click this one. It will automatically generate based on the contents you have in your editor. Here, you can ask for another photo by clicking Generate Another Image right here. If you like the generated image, click Set as Featured Image below. Now let's head back again on your right menu to improve our blog. So you can add on excerpt over here. You can type it in this box or generate one using an AI tool. Click on Generate, then click Accept over here. You can add categories and you can input your tags. Once done, click on Publish on the top, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.